Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Right now, I am going to share with you about Shobe Barat. You know, this is a night of forgiveness, fortune, and mercy. You know, just now I have performed my ablution and am ready to go to the mosque. Thinking back to when I was young, actually, we were so eager to celebrate this night and devote ourselves to prayer. It makes me quite nostalgic. On this night, Almighty Allah descends to the lowest heaven, calls us to pray to Him, always ready to forgive. So, my dear friends, everyone should pray for each other. Inshallah, Allah will grant us His rahmah.